Hello everyone, for today's video we will be having a get ready with me makeup tutorial. For the gala lang tayo today with myself and I. Anyway, ito-dry ko lang ang aking hair. So next ko palang ginagawa is nagto-toner ako. And this toner is from Hello Glow. Next is yung sunscreen. Huwag natin kalimutan mag-sunscreen everyday. Nalalabas tayo. And this sunscreen is from Hello Glow din. And syempre, lip balm from Banxeer. Next is yung eyebrow. Anyway, this eyebrow pencil is from Banxeer. Super like ko yung pangkilay na to kasi ang dali niya lang i-line, and yung nilalagyan ko lang yung mga blank na buhok sa aking kilay. Next is itong O.two.o na bet ko din to for eyeshadow, blush, and pang lips na din siya. And lakas maka-fresh nitong blush stick na to, guys. And then, itong sikat na B&B compact powder na halata namang gamit ko na siya, guys. And syempre, wag natin kalimutang mag-curl ng eyelash natin. And then, this mascara is from Sassy Lady. And I'm done. Bye!